In this video, we're going to convert fractions into percentages. The first fraction is 2 over 25, or 2/25. To convert this into percentage, we take the top number, the numerator, 2, and then divide it by the bottom number, the denominator, 25, and then times by 100. This gives us, if we put this into our calculator, 8%. Remember, it is a percentage, you'll need the percentage sign. Let's do the second question. So we take the top number, 63, divide it by the bottom number, 134, and then times by 100. If I put that in my calculator, for this one, I'm going to get something with quite a lot of decimal places, so I'm just going to give it to one decimal place, and it is 47.0%. So that was top number divided by bottom number times 100.